Welcome back to Sam's watch review. This is the second part of the tutorial video for this watch, Casio WS1700H. And in this video, we will cover for the stopwatch, timer, alarm, and also the dual time. Okay, let's start for the stopwatch. Anyway, if you want to know more about the basic settings for the time and calendar and also the moon phase and tide graph, you can check a previous video. And also, if you want to know the review of this watch, you can also check our channel. I will put also the link in the description. Okay, for the stopwatch, let's move from this timekeeping mode to the stopwatch mode. Okay, this one. You can use the search button to start and stop, like this. Start, stop, and then reset using the adjust button. Or also you can use to do the split time. So search to start, okay, and then press the adjust button to do the split time. So now split at 4 seconds, 34 hundredths of a second. And if you want to continue, this is now the time is running in the background. So if you want to continue, just press the adjust button and it will jump to the time that is running in the background. Okay, and to stop, you can use the search button again, and to reset, use the adjust button. Okay, and now the next one is the countdown timer. So from the stopwatch, press the mode button, and now we are in the timer mode. And let me just set this one, let's say timer as 1 hour 5 minutes. Okay, and to do that, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, now this is the hour. You can increase using the search button and decrease using the light button. Okay, and then move to the next item, and that is the minute. Press the mode button, and now the minute you can increase using the search button or decrease using the light button. Okay, next, press again the mode button. If you want to activate the auto repeat, just press the search button. Okay, now the auto repeat is active. But if you want to deactivate, also use the same button. Okay, and yeah, that's it for the setting of the countdown timer. And if you're done with the length setting of the countdown timer, just press the adjust button, and that's it. So now to start the countdown timer, you can press the search button and it will start the countdown. Okay, and if you want to pause or stop, use the search button, and if you want to reset, use the adjust button, but not hold, just press like this. Okay, and that's it for the countdown timer. We will move on to the alarm. Press again the mode button, and now is the alarm. This watch has 3 alarms, so this one is alarm number 1, which also works for snooze alarm. Alarm number 2 is just alarm. The alarms on this watch is multifunction alarm, so you can set not only just the hour and minute, but also the date and month. So yeah, we will start for the alarm number 1. We will set as a daily alarm. So to do that, let's say I want to use this as a wake up alarm at 5:30. So we will use also the feature for the snooze. Okay, so just press and hold the adjust button, and now wait until focus. Okay, so now this let's set as 5:30. So 0, we will use the search button to increase. Okay, 5, and if you want to decrease, use the light button. Okay, press the mode button now. So this is the minute. Let me set as 30. Okay, yes, and yeah, same thing, light for decrease. Okay, now let me press the adjust button because we're done setting the time for the alarm, and let's activate the snooze. Press the adjust button, it will cycle through the options. So this is alarm and snooze, alarm not active, alarm only as alarm, and this one is alarm active, and also snooze alarm as the alarm. Okay, next move on to alarm number 2. Use the search button, and for this one, let's try to use this maybe as a let's say birthday reminder. Okay, so yeah, let's set this one, let's say January the 5th. So we will set this one January the 5th at 6 in the morning. It will give a beeping sound. So let's press and hold the adjust button, and yeah, this set as 6 o'clock. Okay, and then mode button now is the minute, and then again this one is the month. So let's set as January. So use the search button to increase and light button to decrease. Okay, if blank, meaning that this is going to be every month, but if we set as let's say 1, then this is only works on January. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the date. Let's set as 5 of January. Okay, and then yeah, done. Press the mode button. Now return to the hour, and you can press the adjust button to finish. Okay, so now every January the 5th at 6 o'clock it will gives a beeping sound. Okay, and then next for the alarm number 3, also the same thing. If you want to use as multifunction alarm, if you want to use as a daily alarm, just set the hour and minute. But if you want to use also the date and month, yeah, then you can set the date and month. Okay, and then the next one is the signal. This one is the signal. You don't see any alarm number here or hour. This is the signal, meaning it will give beeping sound every changing of the hour. And to activate, press the adjust button like this. Okay, sorry, the focus is running away. Okay, now let me just activate. Yeah, you can see here it gives an icon SIG signal. Okay, now that's all for the alarm and signal. Now let's move on to the next one, and that is the dual time. And this one has some problem with it, but let's just try to set as we can. Okay, so the dual time only works for AM or for 0 until 12, but it will not show after that, or meaning that yeah, only the AM time. But that's a bug from the from Casio. Maybe they will fix that at the next production patch, hopefully. Okay, now let's just use this one, and to adjust, press and hold the adjust button at the top left, and this is for the daylight saving. You can deactivate using the search button. Press the mode button, and now is the hour. You can increase and decrease using the search and light button. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the minute. You can increase and decrease using the search and light button. And as I told you, so let me show you this, the hour, it will not go past 12. Okay. And yeah, that's a bit annoying, but yeah, hopefully they will fix that soon. Okay, and if you're done, you can press the adjust button, and yeah, that's it for the dual time. And yes, that's all for the settings of this watch, for stopwatch, timer, alarm, and also the dual time. Anyway, if you want to know the setting of the timekeeping mode and also moon phase and tide graph, check our first video, and for the review I will also put in the description. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this is helpful. And yeah, don't forget to click like, subscribe, put a comment if you have anything to add. That's all for now. Have a great day.